Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Aural Skills. Today we're going to just have our aural skills review and see much how we really can listen when everything is put together. We've done everything in segments, which made it feel a little easier. But what about if we're listening to more at the same time? So let's put our headphones on and take a listen. All right, ready? Let's listen. All right, so first we're going to listen to dynamics. What dynamic is this? Take a listen again. This is piano, which means quiet or soft. All right, listening to the same song. Next, we're going to listen to tempo. What is this? If you have your handy-dandy metronome, it's best to use the tap tempo button and see where it lands. But if you don't, you'll just kind of have to try to estimate. This one is 110, and that lands under moderato. All right, so this time we're going to listen to the track, and then I'm going to ask the questions afterwards. So make sure you listen and pay attention to everything very carefully. All right, let's take a listen. All right, so is this song major or minor? This song is major, and you can tell because it sounds happy. Great, let's go back to tempo. I'm going to play it again for us now, though. So take a listen. What is the tempo to this song? It's 120 beats per measure, so that puts us at allegro. All right, so next we're listening to the major scale. Can you tell me which note is the mistake note? Take a listen one more time. The mistake note is on the fourth note. This is what your major scale should have sounded like. Let's take a listen to the next song. What instruments can we hear in this song? I hear a guitar, a bass guitar, and drums. So it's like the standard typical rock band. What dynamic are they playing in? Forte, so loud, as a rock band should be playing in. All right, so let's take a listen to our next song. What time signature is this song in? Four, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you're gonna wanna grab your staff paper out for this one. If you need the staff paper, it's in the description below. All right, we're going to write the rhythm to what we hear. Take a listen one more time. Is this what you came up with? These ones are a little harder, but great job. All right, let's take a listen to something else. Is this song major or minor? Take a listen one more time. This one is minor because it sounds sad. All right, take a listen to this track and let's identify what instruments are used in here. All right, so we have violins. Sounds like there's some percussion. I hear lower sounding instruments, but it still sounds like it's in the strings family. So it sounds like a cello. And then of course we have a piano. All right, and let's take a listen to one more. Which scale is this? That is the minor scale, and it sounds sad. All right. Great job. Now, I know these things seem silly or they might be difficult, but they're really important to be able to hear and identify what you're listening. It's going to take your musical career so much further. And it's really just the same as everything else, where practice makes perfect. Thanks for joining me. And until next time.